Hi everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to add your thread profile link to your Instagram bio. To begin, open the Thread app on your phone. Now tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. On your profile page, tap on the Share Profile option. Then select Copy Link. Your thread profile link is now copied. Next, go to Instagram and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap Edit Profile. Now tap on Links option and then tap on Add External Link. Paste your thread link. Give it a title like Thread and tap on tick mark in the top right corner. That's it. Your thread link is now added to your Instagram bio. If this video helpful, don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching.